how you doing? It's me, Jason, here in German Motors. So today we got this beautiful F95 X5. Today we will be doing a DINAN mid-pipe, and what we are going to be doing is we're going to be cutting out the OEM mid-pipe section and removing the resonators to give us some nice, beautiful noises so you can hear this nice V8 scream. Alright guys, and here we are back with the X5M. The X5M is now complete with the DINAN mid-pipe, and now we shall hear how beautiful this car sounds now.